Hi everyone, I am Selena. My daughter is Shavaya and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. Today I'm giving you an alternative way to have your chicken fillet. I'm super happy to share with you one of my never hungry recipes. This meal is not just nutritious, it's packed with protein and it has all the essential nutrients to keep you satisfied. So let's get cooking. I'm making my chili chicken with black bean salsa. You can add a teaspoon or tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil and a heaped tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Let that sizzle in your pan. You don't even need to add too much of oil if you're using a non-stick pan. As soon as you've given it a few seconds, you can almost immediately add your chicken fillet pieces. I'm using about 500 grams today, which was about 4 to 5 fillet pieces that I diced up into little strips. Sear your chicken. And then add some salt to taste. Once it's browned a little bit on all sides, we can start adding some of our spices. First, I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of my masala, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. And then you just mix everything, all the spices into your chicken fillet pieces and let it fry for about 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. I have been stirring it occasionally. It is now ready for me to add the rest of my ingredients. So I'm adding 2 green chilies. This is optional, you don't need to add it. And some colorful pepper. So you can mix it in and keep stirring it occasionally. We don't want our peppers to be overdone or overcooked, so try not to leave it on for too long. So my peppers have been on for about 5 minutes now. We're almost there. As a finishing touch, I like to add the juice of half a lemon. You can turn down your heat or switch off. Give your chicken a final mix in all the lemon juice, and then we can move on to our black bean salsa. So with my black bean salsa, I take my black beans in the can, I add a little bit of cold water and drain it out to take off any excess preservative. Then add it directly to my bowl. I then add 1 tomato which I've diced. And then add one of the most important ingredients. I really love it in my salsa. It's fresh parsley. Add some fine salt to taste. and some fresh cracked black pepper. Add the juice of half a lemon. Mix everything all together and you're done. You can now start plating up and serve while your chicken pieces are still warm. Today I'm serving it on some tortilla wraps for the kids and some high protein bread. And then you just scoop some luscious black bean salsa on top. If you are following the Never Hungry recipes, my suggestion is to leave out the fajitas or the tortilla wraps or even the bread, and you can just have the chicken with the black bean salsa. It's the best combination. You will, however, need a bigger helping, so please dish yourself up a bigger portion. Another option which I really love is to serve it on avocado. I just didn't have any fresh avo today, but wow, it's so delicious on avo. All the ingredients as usual is found in the drop down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you guys soon in Perima's kitchen. I really hope I can help you on your journey. Have a beautiful day.